What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am super excited because if you've seen from the title of the video, it is a full collection of not only Batman, but just the DC world. But this specifically, the one I got is Batman. If you know, you know Batman is my favorite superhero. I have him in the background. It's just, that's just my guy. So I went to Target and I stumbled upon this collection. I didn't know anything about even this came out. I don't think I've seen it in trend mood either. So I picked up whatever I found that was there because it was not that much. So that's what I have for you guys today. I haven't played with new makeup. I haven't even bought new makeup in a while. So the fact that I found this, super excited. So before we get into the video guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the family. Love you lots. For my returning subscribers, you already know, gang, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back and hanging out with your boy. And yeah, without further ado guys, let's just get into this Makeup Revolution X DC collaboration. So I already primed my lids. I went in with the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. This baby right here is an OG goodie. I love this baby. This is the 18 pan palette, and like I said, look at this packaging. Oh my god, so pretty. I love the whole like plasticky type of feel, and then like it snaps in. This is what the palette looks like. Really pretty. So let's start off with a nice transition color. Let me go in. We're gonna go into Alfred. I'm gonna zoom really close, which is this shade right here. Do you see? It's like a bone. I don't know. It's like a skin color shade. So I'm gonna take this Morphe fluffy brush. Sorry, I just literally packed on my brush and then I, you know, dusted off and the pigment just dropped. So I'm gonna go in again. Okay, you see that, right? And then when I go, the pigment is gone. I'm not even gonna top it off. How about that? I'm not gonna top it off. So let's see how this works. It's giving me almost like pink, which is really not what I wanted. Let's see. Oh my god, yes, this is giving me pink. No. Hold on, wait a minute. I'm just gonna leave it and I'm just gonna really buff it in. And then of course what I did to this eye, I'm gonna have to do to the other eye. The color is cute, I'm not gonna lie, the color is cute. It's just not what I was kind of expecting. I thought it was like a little skin tone type of color, but I guess not. I don't know. So with the same brush, I'm just gonna go into, you see that right there? They look literally identical. Look at the shades right here. Like you wouldn't even tell that they're two different shades. Let's go into this weird one here. So I don't know why the stamp is facing vertically like that, but we're gonna go into that one. That is called Crime Alley. So I'm gonna take that on the same brush. Let me see if it's gonna do this. Okay, so this one has a little bit more pigment, and we're just gonna tuck that right where we placed the first color. Of course, I really want to just really smoke that out. So I'm gonna drag it out here. All right, Makeup Revolution, I ain't gonna lie to you, you're doing something, honey. So far, so good. All right, so moving on, I'm gonna grab this Morphe M453 crease brush, and I'm gonna go into a darker shade. This is called Returns, this brown color. And again, I'm just judging this formula. Usually when a brand does a collaboration, I notice that the formula is better. But again, this is my first time using it, so. I just don't like the fact that the pigment is on the brush, and then when you, it's like, where is it? Like, where is it going? I'm just gonna take this right here, right under my crease, right there. Boom. I'm not gonna lie, like it's giving though. Like that's the funny thing. It's actually giving. It's crazy. So let's go take the same color Return on this eye. Guys, so let me know in the comments below, are you like, do you like watching anime? Do you like cartoons? Do you like DC? And if you do, who is your favorite character? Wow, that, honey, that is blending like a freaking dream. Wow, I'm like really happy with this formula right now. Look at that. Bitch, that's pretty, bitch. Really pretty. So I want to take a really fluffy brush, blend that all really well. So I'm gonna take this M441 brush from Morphe. I want to just deepen it just a little darker. And I'm gonna take the same brush that we used, right? And I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's called The Manor, that nice chocolate goodness brown. And literally, I'm just gonna like 1, 2, 3. That's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna tap it off. Because I just want just a little bit of a darkness coming peeking through. Right, so far that's really cute. So now I'm gonna go into the dark shade, this black one right here. This one is called Batarang. Gonna take this fluffy Wet n Wild brush. Gonna go into the shade Batarang. I'm not gonna take too much. Yeah, maybe just that, and then I'll work my way up. All right, let's start placing this here, and then just blending. Just doing circular motions. Really soft. Like I'm really holding the brush really far. And I'm just gonna sweep that right here, really just deepen that out, and drag the rest of it to the beginning, just like that. Ooh, that just turned into something else. Yo, the way these are blending, what the freak? Really good. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna take this M441 brush. I'm gonna go back into Outfit, a little bit of Crime Alley, just do both. And then go over everything and really blend that out. It might just be a cut crease day. It might just be a cut crease because the way this is looking, Let's do that to the other eye. That's the thing. To match what you do here, what you do on this bitch, it'd be so annoying, but we got this. So, let's do a little bit on this side, starting here. You know what? I think I want to just go in with this shade Bruce right here. Because I feel like if I go in with this without the cut crease, it's going to match. It's not really going to be yellow. So I'm just going to do this shade. So this is Bruce, which I actually like this color because it's gold. Bruce, obviously, is Bruce Wayne. It's Batman's secret identity. And it's giving me very much wealthy. So I love the fact that they did that. So, all right. So I'm going to take my finger into Bruce. Not like that, though. And I'm just gonna start placing this color down, right on my lid, just like that. Ooh, that's cute. We're gonna take it way higher because you know I have hooded eyes, so yeah, let's take that a little bit higher. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Guys, that looks so freaking good. I'm gonna take a little bit of the black, the Batarang, really just a little bit, and gonna mesh that together right on the lid. So now I'm gonna go and take it on the other eye. Pores. Wow, this is really pretty. Okay, you guys cannot tell me that this did not come out so freaking good. Again, a little bit of Batarang, that black color, just to mesh all of this together on the lid, just like that, and boom. Okay, all right, Makeup Revolution, you really showed out for this. You really did your thing. I'm pleasantly surprised. This looks so freaking good. So good. All right, guys. So now we're going to go into the I Am Night Volumizing Mascara. So let's open this baby up. Ooh, it's one of those big dofus. You see that? I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, this is good. You know what it reminds me of the Maybelline Colossal mascara. That's what it reminds me of. So okay, first impressions here. Sorry guys, I know I'm probably like so weird putting on mascara, but I just don't want. Wow, this looks really good. Like I feel like the way it just grabs all my lashes, like so freaking good. Look at that. Can you tell my lashes, bro? Okay, Revolution. Yes, this I'm keeping right here. All right, guys. So I don't really have anything new to test when it comes to foundations or anything base, except obviously this. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my whole base, and then I'll be back on to try the highlighter, and we'll see what lip we're doing today. Oh, and of course, the Catwoman lashes. So I will be right back. All right, guys, so base is done. I'm looking really pale right now because there's no bronze or anything. But now we could set the face using this baby right here. So again, this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop mattifying powder in the shade Light. Now looking at it, this might be a little light, right? Well, I mean, it's too late now, child. So I'm gonna take this brush. I don't know if I should, but let's just take this. We're gonna set the face. Now. Okay. Oh, that is so soft. Wow, yes. Oh, this feels so freaking smooth. Oh my god. Yes. And I don't think it's making my complexion any lighter. And I'm just really pushing that into the skin. This, my friend, is it. This is bomb as fuck. Bomb as fuck. Okay, let me do bronzer really quick. I'm just gonna do it on camera with you guys because might as well. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in this shade Tantric. I love this. I just love it. Let's move on to blush. So I'm gonna use this Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Luminoso. I haven't used this in a while. This is the color right here. I think it's fitting with very Batman, but it's giving me very much 4. Yes, it's giving me 4. So I'm gonna go and take my Morphe M406 stippler brush, and I'm gonna go in here. And I'm gonna take not too much because these bitches are so pigmented, it's not even funny. And the fact that this has a sheen already. Oh my god, when I tell you. Look at that. Yes. If you guys have not tried the powder blushes from Milani, I don't know what you guys are waiting for, but they're really, really, really good. Nothing, you see that mark? I don't know what it is, and I have nothing. Like, I don't have a mark under my skin. All right, so let's finish off the bottom lashes because I love how the complexion and everything is sitting. So let's go back into the palette. We're gonna use the same color. So I'm gonna go in first with the black. Then I'm probably gonna go in with Crime Alley. And then I'm gonna smoke it out with Alfred. So that's what I'm planning to do. All right, so I'm gonna take this flat brush from the Morphe and Akita collaboration. I'm gonna go into the shade Batarang, just really on the tip of the brush. And I'm just gonna literally outline. I just took this little detailing brush. This is the M508 brush, just to kind of like, just attach the top to the bottom. Now I'm gonna take this M506 brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Crime Alley, which is this baby right here. And I'm gonna take it all the way out, just so we can have a cohesive little blend, of course. It is serving, I'm not gonna lie, it is serving. So let's go take again, let me shut up and go take Crime Alley. And let's blend the other side. I'm gonna take this and blend it out. Now I'm gonna take this Dome blending brush, which is my favorite brush that I have for bottom lashes, and I'm gonna go into Alfred. Now I'm just gonna blend everything with Alfred. So that looks bomb already. So now let's go into the lashes. So these are, okay, so these are, again, the Catwoman Volume Lashes. This is the packaging right here. Look at these lashes, they're so pretty. I already cut them to my size. I'm not gonna lie, they are a little bit underwhelming when it comes to the lashes that I usually like. I feel like that the eyes are so dramatic that I need a dramatic eyelash, but let's just see. Cute. All right, let's just use the lashes. I want to keep it in the collection, so let's use the lashes. So I'm gonna grab my favorite lash glue, which is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. All right, so I want a really dark liner, so I'm gonna go in with this NARS Highly Pigmented Longwear Eyeliner. I just want something really, really, really dark. All right, so let's try out finally the Bat Light highlighter. Again, look at this packaging. Like, I'm living, like, Revolution, Makeup Revolution, you did that with this highlighter. I mean, excuse me, with this whole packaging. Yes. I'm gonna go in here and I'm just gonna highlight the highest part of my eye. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. That is really pretty. Okay. Makeup Revolution, come on. Like, why haven't I used Makeup Revolution? Like, the mirror is way too small for my big ass face, so I'm gonna go back into my mirror. But wow, but it's really, really cute. Really, really cute. So the last little thing I kind of want to do is I actually want to go back into the palette and use the shade Bruce, this little thing over here. I want to take this, just a flat brush, see if I could pick up some pigment. The inner corner, okay, kind of like that, but I want to be able to pick up the pigment, honey. There you go. You gotta be patient, you know? There we go. Okay, that's perfect. All right, so let's seal the deal. So I have here the Make It Last Milani, the original setting spray. This, the best of the best. So now let's just set them up, guys. So I'm gonna cover my eyes, but I'm gonna set all this. All right, guys, so this is the finale. This is the end. This is what I created using the Revolution X DC collaboration. Really quick, I'm just gonna start off with this baby right here. I'm like blown away actually of the quality of the pigment. I think this palette was like $17. The quality of the blending, even this little shimmers, how the shades blended on top of each other was amazing. Like, this is literally one of my favorite looks I've done yet in fall. Like, this is amazing. I love how this came out. Like, this is so good. This highlighter is really cute. I feel like it doesn't really accentuate texture and it's really subtle. You could definitely build it up if you want, but yeah, I think it's really cute as well. Love the packaging also. The packaging is what lashes, these Catwoman lashes, I think looking at them now on the viewfinder, they are cute, they are nice. I just feel like for this look, maybe they should have been a little bit more dramatic. But then again, they do look nice. They feel really comfortable. Oh, this NYX, oh my God, this is so good. Like, my face is so, like, just so smooth and I don't see any like residue coming off. This is so bomb. It is mattifying, but I don't feel my face to be like, I don't feel my face cakey. I just feel like it just set it in place and it's so, like, yeah, it's just so pretty. This is bomb. I'm so glad I picked it up. Thanks to Target, because Ulta and everywhere else, you people don't let anybody else shop. Damn. But this is bomb. This is definitely gonna be part of my makeup routine from now on. So the second star of the show, first was the palette, now this is the I Am Night mascara. This, whoa, it's just, I don't know, it reminds me, like I said, the one reminds me of the Maybelline Colossal, if you know that mascara. It's like an OG mascara, but this is really good. Like I said, my lashes look just fully and just in your face. I love how this just grips on your lashes. It's not that wet, it's a little dry, not in a bad way, but I just feel like it really hugs your lashes. This was amazing. I really do like this. So this and the palette, if you're gonna go and get it, definitely get the palette and definitely get this mascara, because these two are it. But yeah, guys, that was everything. Thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with your boy. This was so much fun. Again, I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because I love how this makeup came out. Thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me, and you know I love you guys so much. Yeah, love you guys very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, guys.